恭喜发财, 恭喜发财. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make this easy and low-fat turnip cake. We'll be using minimal ingredients, so it's cheaper. We'll be using like lean Chinese sausages and very little oil, no sugar. We're using the healthier flour like potato starch and whole wheat flour. And even though it's so much easier to make than the traditional ones and it's healthier, I promise you we're not going to be sacrificing on taste. And the nice thing about it is that it's gut-free. Alright, let's get started.
So we're just using 5 major ingredients here and of course some seasonings. And here I'm using this extra lean pork and chicken Chinese sausages. As you can see, there's very little fat in it. So first we're going to wash it and then dry it with a napkin. And then we're going to dice the sausages into small bits, just like that. And then I'm going to grind my dried shrimps into fine powder with my coffee grinder. Just because I don't really like the chew, but you don't have to do this. You can soak it up and then dice it to small bits if you like the texture. And same thing with the dried scallops, but I didn't use the dried scallops here because I'm poor. And then we're going to prepare our main ingredient, the turnip. Now we're going to divide the turnip into 2 to 3 chunks, and then we're going to use a chopper to remove the skin instead of using peeler. And that's because if you have an older turnip, the skin could be really thick and it could be very stringy. So don't be shy, you can slice a thicker cut here. I'm removing about 1/2 centimeter of skin here. You can use a traditional method and use a grater and grate your turnips. This is for demonstration purposes only. I'm going to use my food processor, so I'm going to divide my turnip into smaller chunks. Whatever method you use, the end product should look like this. Now we're going to remove the excess water from the turnip. We don't have to go crazy, but we just want to remove most of the water from it. Now in a wok or in a big pan on medium heat, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then we're going to cook our sausages. Once it's warmed up, you can put it into a bowl and set it aside. Now in the same wok or pan, we're going to add our turnip. This step removes the spiciness from the turnip and further reduces any excess water. And if you did such an amazing job like I did from removing all that water and you feel that it's a little dry, you can add the turnip water back into it so it doesn't burn. Now turn the heat down and add about 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper here. I really like the heat from it, so I added a lot more, but you obviously don't have to. Add 2 pinches of salt, roughly 1/2 teaspoon. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix well, cook well. When it looks like this, it's done. See all that extra water? We're going to get rid of it. Now add your dried shrimp or shrimp powder in this case. And your Chinese sausages. I ended up adding about 1.5 links here. Now we're going to add our flour, we're going to add our potato starch and whole wheat flour. The ratio here is 2 to 1, so we want 2 parts of potato starch and 1 part whole wheat flour. So here I have 660 grams grated turnip here, and I used 5 tablespoons of potato starch and 2.5 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Now I can't say for sure this would be the exact measurement for your turnip because it really depends on the size of your turnip and how much water it contains, but the potato starch to flour ratio is always 2 to 1. So this is the kind of consistency that we're looking for. We don't want it too wet or too dry, we just want it just wet enough so it can be binded together and we can make a patty out of it. Now in a wok or in a pan, we're going to add some water and a steaming rack, and we're going to spray it with oil, and then we're going to add our patties on it, and then we are going to steam it on medium-high heat for 10 minutes. And now it is done. Look at this beauty. Now I can enjoy it with soy sauce or XO sauce, but I'm just going to enjoy it as is. Oh hey look, it's bouncy.
So this is the end product, and I am going to try. Very good. Very good. Compared to like the traditional ones made from the restaurants, like, oh, it's so much better. Like the restaurant ones, like there's very little turnip in it. It's cakey or gummy, but this is like packed with fiber, packed with a turnip. And what I really like about it is that The white pepper really brings out the turnip flavor and gives it a really nice kick as well. And it's slightly chewy, and compared to the homemade traditional ones, this is just as good, but it's so much easier and healthier. So give it a try, impress your friends and family, and save yourself some time and money. Foolproof. Go for it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.